My new base is really, really cool. So, if it does break, expect odd noises to come from me. Like guttural, strange noises. No! Oh, what's happened? Oh no. What exactly happened? Oh, it's worse. It's worse than I thought. Where's it gotten stuck? I almost forgot it again. Oh my goodness. The whole thing's broken. It's happened again. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, sadness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's where it went wrong. Should have been there. I'm just gonna have some lunch for a bit. And I've broken it again. I've built it all and I've broken it again. Nightmare. Sorry, I'll definitely stop that now.